In the automotive aftermarket world, the professional delivery driver is the face of your business to your customers. Would you like to see your delivery drivers maximize their potential, considering the fact that they are the face of the company? Since 2001, ExcelSalesConsulting has provided multiple training programs to support many levels of distribution within the automotive industry. Now we are excited to introduce to you the new Professional Delivery Drivers Customer Service and Teamwork online training course. This new interactive online course is designed specifically for automotive aftermarket delivery drivers. Due to the significant role delivery drivers play in customer satisfaction and company image, we are certain that you are going to see how powerful this course is and the positive impact that it can have on your business. This training program will present real-world situations that delivery drivers commonly face on a day-to-day basis. This customized interactive course provides delivery drivers the opportunity to step back and evaluate their personal performance and fully understand the impact that they have on daily operations and success. Our intention is to help establish best practices to enhance their current skill set and offer the opportunity to quickly apply it on the job. Key areas such as positive attitude, positive teamwork, effective communication skills, organizational skills, image, creating a positive impression, and best practices when delivering products are addressed in this course. Each area is guaranteed to make a positive impact on your driver's professional and personal growth. The course consists of 4 separate learning modules. Within each module, your driver will begin by watching a customized interactive training module. Next, they will complete a short quiz followed by a self-evaluation. At the end of each module, they will be asked to determine a minimum of 2 areas that they would like to improve upon. Finally, each driver will be asked to set individual action items for areas that they feel they would like to improve upon, which they will then share with their managers. The goal in this strategic training program is to help every individual meet the highest levels of expectations that have been established into the company by creating consistent behaviors and processes that will help result in positive teamwork, improved organization, and communication skills. This will improve morale and reduce employee turnover, as well as improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. The end result is increased productivity, efficiency, and overall sales improvements. Thank you for watching the video. I'm looking forward to discussing with you further how the Delivery Driver Customer Service and Teamwork program can help your company. To check out more of our online and live training programs, visit our website at www.excelsalesconsulting.com or feel free to contact me directly at nrose@excelsalesconsulting.com or call me at 403-230-2330. Thank you, and remember to enjoy life to the fullest and maintain a positive attitude.